Hello friends and welcome to another episode in Loriland. Today we find Peppa and her family watching the Mr. Potato Show because it's a rainy day. Let's see what adventure happens. Mummy, I'm bored. We need something better to do. Bored. Ho ho ho. Why don't we play the rainy day game? Oh yes, that's such a fun game. What's the rainy day game, Daddy? That is where Mummy and I hide things and you and George try to find them. We will go to the kitchen and hide something first. Oh, that sounds like so much fun! Oh, I can't wait! Peppa, George, you wait here and Daddy and I will hide something in the kitchen. Yay! This is gonna be so much fun! Peppa, George, you can come and find it now. Ooh, let's look around. Well, it's not on the stove. Sink, sink, says George. I don't think it's in the sink, George. Try again. Ooh, I see something in the fridge. That's right, Peppa. Let's find it and open it. Let's see. What did Peppa find in the fridge? Whoops. Sorry, Peppa. We have a Shopkins Season 6 Chef Club canister. Let's see what we have. We have 1, 2 blind bags, a collector's card, and a recipe for twirly spaghetti. Maybe we'll get some of the things we need for her. Let's open up the first blind bag. Should have brought my stickers. Oh my gosh! We got twirly spaghetti. Look at her. We did. Oh, and look at the little basil leaves on top. And she is a limited edition because look, she is silver. How cool is that? Now let's open the second one. Ooh, who is this? We got Sam Soy, the little soy sauce. Oh my gosh, these are such neat Shopkins. What a fun game. Fun game! Peppa, George, you wait here. Mummy and I will go hide something in the living room. Yes, you wait here and be good little piggies. Peppa, George, come to the living room. Yes, Daddy. Peppa, George, can you find what we've hidden? TV! TV! No, it's not by the TV. Oh, I think I see it. It's a big box behind the couch. Can we open it? Can we open it? Yes, of course you can open it. Let's get it. We have a Shopkins Happy Places delivery box. How cool. Let's see what we've got in here. Ooh, we have a yellow tile. Put that right there. And 3 blind bags. And our collector's card. Okay, let's open the first blind bag and see what we've got. Oh, we have got this super cute little TV. It's like a little puppy dog. Oh, and we have got the game console. Look at that. You can stick the little game in that side right there. Put him right there. Let's see what the third one is. Oh, how cute is that? A little puppy controller. Oh, this is so fun. That'll go great with our TV. We'll have so much fun.
Peppa, George, why don't you play the game while we go and hide a bag up in the bathroom?
Yes, you stay down here and be good little piggies.
Peppa, George, you can come up now.
Peppa, George, can you find the surprise? Yes, I think this one's easy. It's behind the tub. Very good. Here we have a Series 3 Pearlized Edition Care Bear. Let's see who we got. And we have, ooh, who is this? We have got Friend Bear. She is so pretty. I love how she is peach with the little yellow flowers on her. She is beautiful.
Okay, Peppa and George. You wait for us to come and get you. We're going to hide something in the bedroom.
This is so fun! Fun! I love the rainy day game.
Peppa, George, come to the bedroom, see what we have.
Yes, children, you can come now. Well, can you look around and find what we have hidden?
Yes, can you find what we have hidden?
It's not in the toy basket. Where else could it be? My bed! Silly George, it's not on your bed. I see it on my bed. It's on my bed.
That's right, it's up on your bed, Peppa.
Oh, prize! Let's get it down and see what they've got. We have a Shopkins Food Fair canister. It has 2 bags in it. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got. Inside we have 2 blind bags. And our collector's card. Let's open the first blind bag. Ooh, this is so pretty. Do you see that? She is glittery. She's a bling limited edition. Let's see who we've got. Look at that. We have got Nilla Slice. Let's see who our second one is. Oh, it's a birthday cake. What a pretty little birthday cake. There she is. She is Wishes. Ooh, those both sound really yummy.
Yes, let's go downstairs and have our dessert.
Peppa, George, did you like the rainy day game? Oh yes, we had so much fun. Now it's time to eat our yummy desserts. Well, wasn't that a fun rainy day game with Peppa, George, Mommy, and Daddy Pig? Look at all of the surprises they found. Well, thank you for spending your time with us in Loriland. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, friends.